I'll be ready soon. On second thought, I need some quick makeup. And now for the big reveal. Don't worry, this is just the first step. Then we blend. Just keep dabbing and dabbing until it looks like this. That took less than a minute. Impressed? Just give me 1 second, kid. Touching up this bad boy. I'm so ready. But maybe one with waves and a bird? Sounds dope. If you have the money, of course. Oh, totally. This should cover it. Then let's get started. I only have change. Sorry. Seriously? Keep it coming, then. Sorry about that. May as well keep pouring it out. Alrighty then. I'll give you something good, okay? Hold still. Ow! That's sharp! It's a tattoo, dude. Gah! Relax, bro. Oh gosh! Okay. Let me think. No way. I know what we can do here. And this way involves 0 needles. See? And you can still get a bold design. This wand gives you good control, too. So dynamic. Excuse me? No touching! I need to spray it with this first. And last but not least, the water test. Whoa! It's still perfect! Uh-huh. This thing's not going anywhere. Up top. No needles, baby. Almost done. How's it going? Care to watch my experiment? Good job. No! My bad. Need some tissues? Oh, that was messy. What other damage did that do? Oh! You want a brush? Huh? Oh, wait! I have an even better idea! Watch this. Stick the bristles through. Now give it a whirl. Oh. I may as well give it a try. It feels like it's working, yeah. This is a real lifesaver. Wow! It really works! Cool. Mind if I get back to work? Well done! Whoopsies! I think you need this more than I do. Wow, check this place out! You make the first move. I'm on it. We'd better hurry up, okay? Just a couple little touches here. And done. Wait. You got some in your hair. Whoa, is it permanent? The cops! I'm out of here! I don't think so! My hair!
What?
Hold on. Come on! Wait! I'll brush it out! I don't think we have time for this! Wow! This gives me an idea! Bring on the color! Just spray directly onto the brush. And really coat it well, see? Only one thing left to do here. Hello, purple hair. So pretty! Faster, please! But I'm enjoying the process. Ugh. Huh? Do you like it? Snazzy! Oh yeah! I think we'd better go now. Whoa! What's that? I'm not expecting anything. A fashion show? I'm so there! But I could use a little touch-up. Let's see what I'm working with here. Okay, no more shine. But I do love some glossy lips. Ah, goes on so smooth. Whoa. Getting a little bushy up there. I don't have time to go to the salon. But what will everyone say? They'll all just stare at them. I mean, just look at these monsters! Okay, that was terrifying. Should I brush them? Maybe this? No way. But I think I can work with these. Yep, even the soap. Run the brush over the bar. Once it looks like this, gently comb through your brows. See how they're smoothing out? Don't forget the other side. And once that's done, you've got gorgeous brows. Now I hope everyone's looking at me. Can you believe it? I'm a fashion queen! So good! Oh. Good morning. Huh? Prom's tonight? How did I forget about that? But my hair! Well, nothing a curling iron can't fix. Gah! Oh, so much for that. Now what? I guess I'll have to use what I have. Even if that means toilet paper. This trick better work. Just roll a couple of squares like this. Then spray your hair so it's damp. Start at the bottom of the strand and work your way up. Tie it into a little knot. One strand done. Then do strands all around your head. Come on! Open up in there! Well, well, well. Look how cute! I fell asleep. I bet my curls are all set. Looking good already. Check out that bounce. Down you go. Now that's what I call prom hair. Yay! Now to get dressed. Finally! What took you so long? Oh man, almost there. Oh no. This can't be happening. But… no! Oh. Hey. Do you… oh, you have a little something… my lips? Where? Just a little mark here. Oh. Be right back. What have I done? Maybe a little water. Phew. Better. But now I need to touch up a bit. Good thing I brought the essentials. You guys never fail me. Place the tape at an angle. And use your nose for some give. Then put it above your eyes. Then use the black shadow here. And rub it on nice and dark. Don't worry, it'll make sense soon. Now rip it off quickly. It's perfect! Thank goodness. Okay, is this better? Your eyes look pretty. Here, your drink came. Woohoo! Feel the burn. Hi! Huh? Oh, you're here. Come on. Okay. We've gotta warm up first. Now watch. Okay. Phew. Watch me. See? Other side. Okay. Next up, 3 parts. Roll it. What? This can't be right! And run! Are you kidding? Okay. Ugh! Hair! And 3. Head is rotating! Nice. 4th step. Stop! Whoa. Okay. I can't work out like this. Just use those. Your socks. Really? Okay. Oh gosh. Stretch it. Then we cut. You sure? Just do it. Alrighty then. Wow, thanks. Wait. Now what do I do? Oh, get rolling, girl. Oh, rolling? I can do that. Okay, getting down to it. Aha! Stretchy! See? It's cute! Now my hair will finally be tamed. Start up at the top of the pony, then roll it down to the head. Almost there! That's nice and tight! Thanks for the tip! Let's go! Faster! Which of these beauty hacks will you try first? That fake tattoo was pretty spectacular! Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more!